Our solar system is a vast and mysterious place. It's filled with planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. But in 2017, something truly extraordinary happened, something that had never been seen before. An object from another star system entered our cosmic neighborhood. It appeared as a faint point of light, streaking across the night sky. This wasn't just another comet or asteroid, this was different. This was an interstellar visitor. We called it Oumuamua, a Hawaiian name meaning a messenger from afar arriving first. Oumuamua's arrival sent ripples of excitement and curiosity throughout the scientific community. It was a celestial gift, a chance to study something from beyond our own solar system. But it was also a fleeting visitor. Oumuamua was moving incredibly fast. It was on a trajectory that would take it out of our solar system just as quickly as it had arrived. We had a limited time to observe it. Scientists around the world scrambled to gather as much data as possible. On October 19, 2017, the Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System, or PanSTARRS-1, in Hawaii, detected Oumuamua. This telescope, perched atop the volcanic peak of Haleakala, scans the night sky for moving objects. It was designed to hunt for asteroids and comets that could pose a threat to Earth. But what PanSTARRS-1 found that night was far more intriguing. The object was moving at an unprecedented speed. Its trajectory was unlike anything we had ever seen before. It was clear that this was no ordinary celestial body. Astronomers quickly realized that this object was not bound to our sun. It was traveling too fast to be captured by the sun's gravity. It was an interstellar interloper just passing through our corner of the galaxy. The news of this discovery spread like wildfire through the astronomical community. Telescopes around the world were trained on this enigmatic visitor, eager to unlock its secrets. As scientists gathered more data on Oumuamua, its strangeness only grew. This mysterious object, first detected in October 2017, quickly became a subject of intense study and debate within the scientific community. Its origins, composition, and behavior were unlike anything we had ever seen before, sparking curiosity and wonder. Its shape was unlike anything we had ever encountered before. Unlike the typical round or irregularly shaped asteroids, Oumuamua was distinctly elongated. It was highly elongated, perhaps 10 times longer than it was wide. This unusual shape led to various theories about its formation and origin. Some astronomers described it as being shaped like a cigar, while others likened it to a pancake. The debate over its shape highlighted the challenges in interpreting limited observational data. Oumuamua's brightness also fluctuated dramatically as it tumbled through space. This variation in brightness suggested that it was rotating rapidly, causing different parts of its surface to reflect sunlight at different angles. This suggested that it was rotating and that its surface was highly irregular, possibly with sharp edges or facets. The irregular surface could be a result of collisions or other processes that shaped its exterior over time. Its composition remained a mystery, but observations suggested it might be rich in metals or organic compounds. Some scientists speculated that it could be a fragment of a larger body that broke apart, while others considered the possibility of it being an entirely new type of object. One of the most puzzling aspects of Oumuamua was its motion. It was moving at an incredibly high speed, far faster than typical objects within our solar system. In addition to its high speed, it exhibited a slight but noticeable acceleration that couldn't be explained by gravity alone. This unexpected acceleration led to numerous hypotheses about what could be causing it. This non-gravitational acceleration fueled speculation about what might be propelling this enigmatic object. Some theories suggested that it could be outgassing, where volatile substances on its surface were being heated by the sun and creating a small thrust. The scientific community was abuzz with theories, each more intriguing than the last. Some even proposed that Oumuamua could be an artificial object, possibly a probe sent by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. What was this strange visitor from the stars? Its unique characteristics and unexplained behaviors made it one of the most fascinating objects ever observed. Where did it come from? Theories ranged from it being a fragment of a distant planet or moon, to it being a piece of interstellar debris from another star system. And what could it tell us about the universe beyond our solar system? Oumuamua's journey through our solar system provided a rare opportunity to study an object from another star system, offering potential insights into the processes and conditions that exist beyond our own cosmic neighborhood. As scientists continue to analyze the data and develop new theories, Oumuamua remains a tantalizing mystery, reminding us of the vast and largely unexplored universe that lies beyond our reach.
While scientists around the world puzzled over the data, intriguing stories began to surface from unexpected quarters. These stories, often dismissed as mere folklore or the result of overactive imaginations, began to gain traction as more and more credible sources came forward. The scientific community, usually grounded in empirical evidence, found itself at a crossroads, grappling with the possibility that there might be more to these accounts than initially thought. Seasoned pilots with years of experience reading the skies reported encounters with objects that defied explanation. These were not just fleeting glimpses, but prolonged observations of phenomena that moved in ways that conventional aircraft could not. The pilots described objects that could accelerate and decelerate at incredible speeds, make sharp turns, and even hover in place, all without any visible means of propulsion.
Their stories, often dismissed as anecdotal, took on new significance in the wake of Oumuamua's discovery. The scientific community began to reevaluate these accounts, considering the possibility that they might be connected to a larger interstellar phenomenon. Group discussions and forums dedicated to these sightings saw a surge in participation, with people from all walks of life coming forward to share their experiences.
Retired astronaut Major Terry Virts, known for his time on the International Space Station, shared his own experience of witnessing an unidentified object during a training flight. His account added a layer of credibility to the growing body of evidence, as his background and expertise made him a highly reliable witness. Virts described the object as something that moved with an intelligence and purpose that was unmistakable.
It wasn't anything I could immediately identify, Virts recounted. It moved differently than anything I'd ever seen. His words echoed the sentiments of many other pilots and astronauts who had come forward with similar stories. The object seemed to defy the laws of physics as we understand them, moving in ways that suggested advanced technology or perhaps even a different understanding of the universe.
Even from the world of intelligence gathering, whispers emerged. These whispers hinted at secret investigations and classified projects aimed at understanding these mysterious objects. The intelligence community, with its vast resources and access to sensitive information, was uniquely positioned to delve into these mysteries. Yet much of what they discovered remained hidden from the public eye. Former CIA agents, bound by secrecy for decades, hinted at recovered materials with properties unlike anything found on Earth. These materials, they suggested, could potentially revolutionize our understanding of physics and technology. Laboratories around the world were reportedly analyzing these artifacts, trying to unlock their secrets and understand their origins.
While details remained shrouded in classified files, the implications were tantalizing. The possibility that these materials could be of extraterrestrial origin opened up a realm of possibilities that were both exciting and terrifying. Governments around the world were faced with the challenge of how to handle this information, balancing the need for secrecy with the public's right to know.
These accounts, while lacking the hard data of scientific observation, painted a compelling picture. They suggested a pattern of sightings and encounters that spanned decades, if not centuries. Eyewitnesses from different parts of the world described remarkably similar objects and experiences, adding weight to the argument that these were not isolated incidents but part of a larger phenomenon. They suggested that Oumuamua might not be the first interstellar visitor to grace our skies, and that its arrival might be part of a larger, more mysterious phenomenon. As astronomers continued to scan the skies, the search for answers took on a new urgency. The possibility that we are not alone in the universe and that we have been visited by otherworldly beings became a topic of serious scientific inquiry and public fascination. The scientific community, while intrigued by the eyewitness accounts, remained focused on finding a natural explanation for Oumuamua's origins. This mysterious object, first detected in 2017, has sparked a flurry of scientific activity and debate. Its unusual trajectory and acceleration have puzzled researchers, leading to a variety of hypotheses. Theories abounded, each attempting to explain its unique characteristics and behavior. Some scientists proposed that Oumuamua was a comet or asteroid from another star system, while others suggested it could be a fragment of a larger body. The debate has been intense, with each new piece of data adding to the mystery.
One possibility was that Oumuamua was a fragment of a planet torn apart by the gravitational forces of its host star. This dramatic event could have sent the fragment hurtling through space, eventually crossing paths with our solar system. The violent nature of such an event would explain the object's elongated shape and unusual spin. This would explain its unusual shape and composition. The elongated, cigar-like form of Oumuamua is unlike anything we've seen before, suggesting it may have undergone significant stress and deformation. Its surface also appears to be coated in a reddish hue, possibly due to cosmic radiation exposure over millions of years.
Others suggested it might be a cosmic dust bunny, a loose aggregate of interstellar dust and ice that had clumped together over millions of years. This theory posits that Oumuamua could be a fragile structure, held together by weak gravitational forces. If true, it would be a rare and fascinating example of how matter can coalesce in the vacuum of space.
However, none of these theories could fully explain Oumuamua's non-gravitational acceleration. As it passed through our solar system, it exhibited a slight but noticeable increase in speed that couldn't be accounted for by gravitational forces alone. This anomaly has been one of the most perplexing aspects of Oumuamua's journey. This anomaly led some scientists to propose more radical explanations, including the possibility that Oumuamua was an artificial object, perhaps a defunct alien spacecraft or a solar sail propelled by starlight. The idea of an alien probe or a piece of advanced technology drifting through space is tantalizing, though it remains highly speculative.
While the scientific community remains skeptical of these more extraordinary claims, the possibility of Oumuamua being an artifact of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization captured the public's imagination. The notion that we might have encountered evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth has fueled countless discussions and inspired a wave of interest in space exploration.
Could this strange visitor be a sign that we are not alone in the universe? The mystery of Oumuamua continues to intrigue and challenge our understanding of the cosmos. As we gather more data and refine our theories, we may one day uncover the true nature of this enigmatic object and what it means for our place in the universe.